Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. What is more versatile than phlox in the garden when it comes to pollinators? I find everyone loves this plant. You see here some that is extremely short because my groundhog did some pruning for me. But this plant will grow in the shade, it will grow in the sun. Butterflies, hummingbird moths, bees, and even hummingbirds love this plant. Super easy to grow, but what we're going to do today is give it a haircut. I've got a new secateur, a new clipper that was sent to me from Pink Lady Tools. I have to say I really like this, especially because of this feature right here. It locks into place, and certainly I have a lot of sharp tools in my tool bag and I certainly don't want to hurt myself, but it's also extremely easy to use. Got these really comfortable grips, and if you want to support this channel, I'll leave a link for my Amazon account where you can shop all different kinds of things, including these Pink Lady Tool secateurs. But what we're going to do today is give this phlox a nice haircut. And why would you want to do that, Thoughtful Gardener? Well, we want more flowers. I'm not done with this season. We're here at the beginning of August, and we're going to need to fuel the migratory butterflies. So we're going to cut off these right here. These are spent blooms, and you can cut this off and it will grow again, but you can also put these cuttings in water. This is an extremely easy plant to regrow. So I'm going to keep all of my cuttings and I'm going to root them for friends, because these are great in a pollinator garden, but they're also great in the vegetable garden because it does attract so many pollinators. According to the data, you can grow about 30% more food if you have pollinator plants in your garden. So that's what we're going to do today. I have rooted all the other cuttings I have cut this season, and I have grown more phlox, which means that's more for me to share with thoughtful gardeners like you. So if you get a chance today, go out and give your phlox a haircut. Then I want you to root these things. I want to show you how easy this is to do, and I want you to grow more phlox in your garden. Very versatile, sun or shade. And again, if you want to help support the channel, Pink Lady Tools, my Amazon account is linked below. Garden thoughtfully and take care.